Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to draw anything in Microsoft Word document. So here you will see the option draw. Click on this draw tab. Here you can select drawing tool. It's eraser. Use the eraser to erase ink that has been drawn on the page. Pen blank 0.5 mm. Now draw what you like here. Like this. This is the beautiful design. So this is the only for example you can draw in better way, and every color and design you can change from here, like thickness, and you can draw here. I'm not better in drawing, but it's the easy tool guys if you have Microsoft Word. So using this drawing tool you can draw a beautiful images. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.